hoe.
Huh?
Smell like butthole.
What? No, what? I smell like butthole? You like spaghetti noodles. You ugly, like look at this man.
Yeah, they're literally ops.
They're so
They're good. No, they're like, they're...
Watch out here, I'm about to kick you in the face. Heels, carbs, fats, and sugars.
Taco Bell for my big back era. Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to spread these cheeks. I really have to take a dump.
It's those autistic ops again.
Will you please strip down for me? I'm about to...
Those weirdos are a boy band?
Speed makes me so proud. Looking like a snack cause you gotta like that.
1, 2, 3, let me spread them cheeks.
Listen, you fat little cockroach.
Girl, I'm getting real Those booty shorts turn me on.
Them butt cheeks so bare, I'm gonna hit you so hard. Bet they're plastic, but it's okay. You're mine and I'm yours. This bed is about to break.
So sexy.
My little soda popped. We all have terrible hairstyles. Just let me show my shirt off.
You're too hot for me.
It makes me corny.
Blah, 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 blah.
You're too hot for me. It is catchy though.
It's giving me PTSD. They can make hearts out of thin air?
One Mexican
Secret tattoo artist. Demons, of course, demons.
Happy edging.
Bring them in. Done with this. Hey, you're slow down.
And who should I make this out to?
To our favorite roaches.
Such an honor.
Oh no!
Boy signing! We lose half the fans? The fat horse will sit with us. Are you losing your mind?
Genius.
Same table! We need all of our fans.
Yo, what's going on, babe?
You're also freaking fat! I don't want to sit my
Oh, hey.
That's a whole freaking waffle right
I did not know you liked sharing.
I freaking love sharing.
Oh, so you shared a secret with your pookies.
If I like smash my dolls out of here right now. Thanks for coming!
Should I tell him?
No, I'm gonna tell him eventually.
What are you whispering? I definitely didn't see y'all gooning yesterday. Oh, so cute.
Did you
Bad doggy.
outside first?
No, outside.